Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with a little tiny haul that I purchased from Donna Dreams ×3. She was hosting a sale for Niks Crafty Corner, which is funny. I also bought from another channel some of Niks Crafty Corner. So Niks is spreading her wings all over because I understand Niks moving. But before I get that, my cousin Connie came today and she's like, I got something for you. And my cousin Connie, she does odd jobs all over. She cleans up people's houses that, like, if they move on and don't want to clean it, or the bank owns them. She also does scrap metal, and so she's all over doing little odd jobs. And when she sees something once in a while that she knows I can use, she always thinks of me because I always think of her. Like if I know somebody's getting rid of some metal, I'll call her up. She goes over and picks it up for them, and things like that. Brought me a jelly plate. She goes, I don't know what this is, but I look crafty, she says. So she brought it to me. She goes, this is all that's wrong with it. So when you open it, ready? Never used 8x10, which was cool because my 8x10, somehow I ruined it. It's not ruined, but I got a crease going along in it, so it shows up, which I've still been using it. But that was a cool find. She says, she's still cleaning this place, so who knows what else she'll bring me, but she brought me this right away today. That was cool. That was cool. So, brand new jelly plate. I asked her if she wanted, I said, I'll buy it from you. Nope, she wouldn't take my money. Nope. So now let's get to the stuff I purchased from Niks Crafty Corner, which was on Donna Dreams ×3. I understand that Nick is moving, so she's going through her stuff. First thing I picked up was these little charms. Well, not the first thing, but the first thing I grabbed. The little lipstick and hearts. Very cute. They're cute. And then I got these little circle, and they're like foam. I said I could do some mixed media with them. And everything was under $2, if I remember correctly. I don't remember. I had 40 bucks, and I had fun. So, got that. And they're like foam. So I hope I can glue them like on a canvas, is what I thought I could do with them. And even paint over them if need be. Some gesso. Come on, get in the bag. Back in the bag. Get back in there. Okay. And then I got the key. I don't remember buying a key, but I must have bought a key. If not, it's a gift, and thank you. I don't remember, but it's a cool key. Alright, I got these, and I laughed because Allie, my granddaughter, she was home and she's like, what are you doing, Anna? And I told her who I was watching. So she was watching, and she's like, oh, I want that. So she was sending me things. She wanted the friendship charms for her and her friend. BFF. It's a little 2 donuts. Say. And then this one. So she got those. And then I don't remember if I picked these up or not. But like I said, if I did, I did. If I didn't, thank you. But look at them. I got this for Riley because Riley likes using my washi tape, and I thought she'd like this, little hearts, and then a little Valentine's. Matter of fact, says Happy Valentine's Day. Decorated tape for Riley. I got me some crown jewels. Got me some butterflies. Got me some pink pearls, hot pink, red, and some blue. I had to buy green and gold because I am in Green Bay. Gems. And then I got hearts, clear hearts, red, and little purple flowers. And got the boho stickers. Got the copy. I got this one. Allie wanted this one. I've never seen this one in my store, so Allie wanted this one. So I told her I get the dream catching the flowers. She can have the rest. And then I bought this because I thought this one was, or I grabbed this because I thought it was just adorable because I like the little faces in the cheese heads. So look at the bacon and the eggs have faces, taco, the coffee pot. Look at the avocados. Cute. And then I got some small dots. So they made the packaging bigger but didn't put more in there. Still 117. Look at the 3 different labels that Dollar Tree has gone through. I think this was the beginning, the blue, then this one, and then this one. And then I got the bigger ones. Oh, I got another pack of those too. I like using them, and so does Allie. Those are all Allie's colors she likes. Oh, I got this sticker. And then Allie wanted these. She said they look like balloons. That's what I said they look like. They look like balloons you can buy. I think she's putting them on her tablet. And then I got Riley some Easter tattoos. And that is my haul from Niks Crafty Corner, which was hosted on Donna Dreams ×3. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. And hope you enjoyed my little haul. Oops. Got a frame came out of the bag. Oh, and I got this stamp. I don't know if I showed you that. The stamp that says, thank you, 100% love. So, there we go. I think I showed everything. Yeah. So, as always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.